Introduction to CAM charges. This video will explain you what a CAM charges and how it is collected from the tenants. CAM. CAM stands for Common Area Maintenance Charges. What is a common area? Common area is an area in the building which is used by all the tenants and its customers. Basically a shared use such as staircase, elevators, sidewalks, corridors, sitting area, washrooms, parking area, and so on. A landlord has to maintain the whole building and the common areas in a good manner in order to sustain its fair operation. So, what is done to maintain it? The following services are provided by the landlord to maintain the common areas, such as janitorial services, landscaping, power washing, common area electricity, security services, parking area striping and resurfacing, trash removal. Will a landlord bear all these costs for common area maintenance? Never. These costs are first borne by the landlord and paid to the respective vendors, and then it is reimbursed by all the tenants in the building. So, how the tenant pay it? All the tenants in the building pay their share of CAM charges, that is, proportionately according to the area it's occupying in the building. We call it as tenant's proportionate share. Area of the premises occupied by the tenant upon the area of the building. Therefore, tenant's PRS is calculated based on the following formula. Area of the premises divided by total building area multiplied by 100 to get tenant's percentage share. Example, if the total building contains 100,000 square feet and premises contains 2500 square feet, tenant's PRS will be calculated as 2500 divided by 100,000 into 100, which would be 2.5%. So, if total CAM charge for the building is $20,000, then tenant pays landlord its 2.5% share of $500. This is how a tenant pay landlord its CAM charges.
Created using Powtoon.